Here's a quick tour of a sample website design and a tour of the editing tool that allows you to update and maintain the website. Let's go look at the editing tool. Okay, we're inside the editor and we see that the website looks almost exactly the same as it does in the live view, which makes it easy to edit. If we want to make a change, we just can type in our new change here. We can then highlight this text, change its color, make it larger, make it smaller, make it a link. Very easy to change the text that is already in place. Here's a button, again, change to where it links, and simply type in here to change the text. If you wanted to drag a new text column on the page, you would just drag it over here and everything would adjust so that you have 4 columns, and then if it's not perfect, you can adjust further by dragging these columns around, making everything just the way that you want it to be. And then you can simply type in your new text here. But we don't want that, so we click delete and things slide back and we'll make them a little bit more perfect. Very easy. The same goes for images. You can drag an image onto the screen, drag it over here and click upload, and your new picture will come right onto the screen. And then again, you can readjust things, or maybe you want this picture on top of this area. You just drag it over there and it moves, and then again resize your column. So very easy to move and rearrange content. Let's take a look at some of the other pages in here. We'll go to the Johns Creek page. Again, we can simply type in our new text, or if we needed to update the phone number, we would just change it or swap out the photo. The map is very simple. You click on the map and you just change the address. I believe you had interest in adding videos, so we'll show you how to do that on a new page. You'd go to Pages, Add New Standard Page, No Header. If you want the page to appear underneath another page in the navigation menu, you simply drag it. So let's say we wanted this under Services, we'd put it here, called Videos, save and edit. This will be a blank page. And to make a blank page, we just start dragging content onto the screen. Very easy. Dividers are always nice. Okay, so you might want video, but let's first put in a little bit of text so that our video is not too large. Text here. And then if you wanted to drag in a video file that you had, you drag it onto the screen. I put it on the right to make a 2-column layout, and then you would click upload and you'd go grab your video from your computer. There's another type of video that is even easier. Let's say you've put the videos on YouTube, or they're already on YouTube. Bring in the YouTube tool, click on it, and then you just paste in the URL for your YouTube tool. You can do the same with audio, so if you had a recording of a talk or a lecture, you drag it onto the screen, and again you click on it, upload your audio file, and you have a nice player. You can do this multiple times. Same goes for the videos. You can keep dragging videos onto the screen. When we don't want these items, we just delete them. It's also easy to make columns with these items. Drag the new audio over here, and we see 2 columns. Alright, we'll delete these out of here and look at another feature, which is the gallery. It's very easy to make a nice looking photo gallery. Just drag the gallery tool onto the page, click upload, and go get your photos. And they upload. Here they come. And then once you have your gallery, you can give each photo a link or a caption. You can also change the layout, how many columns you have. When this is in live view, you can click on a photo and it gets very large, so nice way to add galleries. You can also add in a contact form or registration form. Here it is. Form options, you change who receives the email, and then if you want to add more fields, you can just drag those fields onto the screen. So very easy to make a contact form. We'll click save and delete this. We saw buttons on the home page, but it's easy to add in a button. You just drag it onto the screen and you type in your new text, and then again just decide to where the button links. Extra little spacing is easy. You click spacing and you can give it a little extra wiggle room on the top and the bottom. There's also a spacing tool which does the same thing. Embed code is how you would embed a Facebook news feed or any other website that would give you code to embed on the website. You click here and you embed that, and then it would appear on your site. Let's go back to the home page, and let's take a quick look at how the website automatically adjusts nicely for a mobile device. Here we are on the mobile view, and we see that the slideshow is in place. We have a nice easy navigation menu, and everything has reformatted for a mobile device. This will also allow us to embed certain pages from the website in the app, making it easier to maintain the mobile app, because when you update certain key pages on the website, you will also update the app. This would make a lot of sense for pages that you're updating a lot on the website, or pages that have a lot of information, maybe like your physician bio pages. All right, let's go back to the home page. Here's the slideshow. This slideshow can be various widths. I put it at a full width here, but it's also possible to make it 2/3 or half the page if you wanted to move content a little bit higher. To edit the slideshow, you can simply add a slide. Again, you just grab the image from your computer and it uploads. Then you can rearrange these slides. You could use this to promote news or information, and you can also give each slide a caption and make each slide a link to another website or another page inside your website. All right, let's go back to look at the live view of the website. Here we are, and we'll take a look at the locations pages. Here we put some locations on a map. When you click on a cursor, you see information about that page, and you can link to that location page. And of course, an example of how we could list all the locations directly. And then here's a look at a particular location. As you saw, we could lay this out any number of ways, but I thought this worked well. We see that we have the picture and make an appointment and open in maps, and we can see that in the editor these pages, these location pages, also look good in mobile view. We'll go ahead and jump to the Johns Creek page. Okay, here we are, and we see that it has adjusted nicely for the mobile device. If we wanted this to be blue, we could just change it to blue. There we go. So everything's looking good even on a mobile device. We'll go back to this page, and we'll go back to the home page. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tour and that everything makes sense. Thank you.